Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to master the magnifier on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So your Galaxy device has not only one, but three magnifying features. So the three magnifying features are S Pen magnifier, screen magnifier, and your camera magnifier. So let me show you how you can master the magnifying feature on your Samsung Galaxy device. So here I'll first go ahead and show you the S Pen. So when you remove your S Pen, you'll get this air command on the right hand side. From here, you can go ahead and choose the magnify option. If you don't see it, you can go ahead and tap on the plus sign and you can go ahead and add it from here, the magnifier. Now you can go ahead and press home. Now go ahead and open the air command and then go ahead and tap on magnifier. So now with your S Pen, you can go ahead and point anywhere you like, and this will basically magnify whatever is being pointed at. At the top right here, you have a configuration button here, or toolbar. You can go ahead and configure that for 300%, so you can go ahead and magnify as much as you like. You can go ahead and make it full screen or large screen. And then if you don't want to use it, you can go ahead and tap on the X, and that will close your magnifier. Now, the other way of using the magnifier feature on your Samsung S25 Ultra is by opening up the quick panel menu, tap on settings, scroll down all the way until you see accessibility. Now from here, you're going to go ahead and find visibility enhancements or vision enhancement. Scroll down and you'll see the magnification. So tap on this. And now here, you can go ahead and turn this feature on. So I've already added the magnification shortcut in my accessibility here. And then I can go ahead and choose the magnifier type. So it can allow switching between partial screen and full screen. And here you can choose if you want to move the cursor while typing. So here is an example. We'll go ahead and press home. We'll go ahead and open the accessibility and open up the magnification. So here, as you can see, this is the box which will magnify anything you see on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So you can basically take it anywhere you like and that will magnify it. If you want to configure the magnification, tap on the settings here and you can go ahead and choose all these different sizes of the boxes. You can even go ahead and choose full screen mode. You can even allow diagonal scrolling and you can go ahead and control the zoom level. Here you can go ahead and control the box amount of zoom and you can go ahead and customize your magnifier. So that is the second magnifier where you can basically zoom on screen. We'll go ahead and close this. Now the third magnifier here on your Samsung S25 Ultra is a camera magnifier. So it basically uses your camera to zoom in on real world objects. So this is great as if you have seeing difficulties and you want to maybe read a certain text on a product and it's really small, you can basically use your camera, your Samsung S25 Ultra to magnify that for you. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up the settings, scroll down and find accessibility. Now here, tap on vision enhancements, scroll down and here you'll see the option called magnifier. Tap on this and then go ahead and turn this feature on. And here I have basically set it to appear in my accessibility shortcut. Tap home, go ahead and open up the accessibility shortcut, magnifier. This will open up your camera view. And here you can go ahead and zoom in and zoom out. So here I have applied a filter. So this is what your normal view will look like. Let me put the brightness up a bit and the contrast. So here is an example. We'll go ahead and read this small text on screen. So here you can go ahead and magnify this. So using the minus and plus button here, you can go ahead and zoom into this and you can go ahead and zoom out from this. Now, for those of you who have difficulty when seeing this, you can go ahead and use filters. So you can go ahead and use all these different filters, inverted filters. So it'll basically invert the colors, a white on black, black on white. You have the yellow on black, black on yellow, white on blue, blue on white, yellow on blue, red on black, and black on red. So these are all the different color filters which you can apply and read your text on. If that's not enough, you can go ahead and choose the contrast and you can go ahead and mess about with this and you can basically read much better. So it's totally up to you. If you feel like capturing something, you can go ahead and tap on capture and this will capture the item for you. You need to go ahead and save this to save it to your phone library. So this is perfect for reading fine print. It's great for low vision users, and it helps in daily use like reading menus or documents. So there you go, guys. That is how to master the magnifier on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.